Going to Chinese school wasn't all that bad. I did learn Pinyin because of it, and that helped me a lot on my 2006 China trip. I could read signs because they were both written in Pinyin and simplified Chinese. Very helpful when walking around the streets. Now, I can't read simplified Chinese, but I can read Pinyin. It helps that I'm an English speaker. Because Pinyin is a phonetic system that uses the Roman alphabet. Just imagine having to read this compared to this. This is the Pinyin, while this is the simplified Chinese characters. It's the same thing. Pinyin and Pinyin. This is why learning Chinese is so hard and why we use rote memorization. There's no pronouncing it out. You just have to commit every word to memory. There's no spelling in Chinese. You just have to know it. Example, you're reading a book and you come across a word that you don't know. So you try to pronounce it out. Albeit. Oh, albeit. Oh, that's how you spell albeit. But if you come across a Chinese word, even if you've heard it tons of times, there's just you just don't know it. Yeah, that's why Pinyin was invented, to help learners pronounce Chinese words. Now, there's another system, the Bopomofo system, mainly used by the Taiwanese. It's like the alphabet, but Chinese. So instead of ABC, it's Bopomofo, Datanala, which I'm not pronouncing right. Chinese is still kind of hard for me to speak. That's why out of the systems that I learned, both the Pinyin and the Bopomofo system, I like the Pinyin one better. Because instead of learning 2 alphabets, I just need to know 1. But using Pinyin as an English speaker can be tricky. Bopomofo is pronounced the Chinese way, while Pinyin is kind of not. Let me give you a few examples. Take Q for example. In English, it's K, but in Chinese, it's Ch. X is Sh, and C is T. So 7 is Qi, small is xiǎo, and vegetable is cai. Using the English alphabet to pronounce Chinese words, not the same thing. Which brings me to why I did this video. I hate American pronunciation of Chinese words. First of all, it just doesn't sound good. Take my name for example, Lan. But in Chinese, it's pronounced Lan. But some Americans pronounce it Lan. Oh, I hate American pronunciation of Chinese words. That's why when remembering my name, I tell them, just think of grass. Lawn, lan, close enough. And this is why this Chinese to American pronunciation fail is why we get made fun of sometimes. Take the surname Wang, which Americans pronounce Wang. Making fun of, you can fill in the blanks. But did you know that the Chinese character for the surname Wang means king? Like Martin Luther King? Or Gayle King? Or BB King? There's nothing to make fun of that. It's the word king. But the divide between Asian and American, it's just what it is. But for me, I don't have to do the same. That's why, using Pinyin, I will pronounce Chinese words the Chinese way, to show the proper way of saying Chinese. Example, instead of saying Shanghainese, I will say Sanghainese. And that's my next video. What's Sanghainese?